Hey, look, a new subscriber.
Greetings hackers, welcome back to one of my new videos, and welcome back trashers. In today's video we are going to be talking about MSF. By MSF I don't mean Microsoft, I mean MSF, which means Metasploit. So let's create a directory in Metasploit where we will be working. So here's the place of our work. So let's store some important data first. The nmap data. So over here we will be running a new thing called the script scan. By this it will tell us all the vulnerability that it is. If you are working at a higher level like at an internship, or you are working at a job, doing a job or doing freelancing also, there are chances that you'll come across this. So you need to know about this. So let's just store it. This tells us about all the vulnerabilities there are. Now you can just choose which vulnerability, but I have chosen over here vuln, which means that it will tell us about all the vulnerabilities that is. So let's see, MSF console. So here are all the datas you need to know. So this is the vulnerability we found by nmap. So as you can see, I'll paste the link in the description. You can know about it more if you want to. Generally, it's a remote code execution vulnerability. It's quite common, and when it was their time, it was very famous. Eternal Blue. So this was generally by a security organization, I think. Yeah, that covers it. So here comes our main tool, which we'll be using, Metasploit. Now in this tool you can do literally anything. You are by anything I mean with Windows machine. So you just need to put a can hack anything if you just know this tool, because this tool is the most famous tool ever used. So as you can see, we keep on typing banner and new things keep on coming. Isn't that cool? So see, and then let's yeah, I like this banner, so it's cool. Dear. So by seeing this, you must feel like what I'm doing. It means that we can do anything over here from Metasploit, which means we can even control our normal terminal from here also. So yeah. Now let's get on to the main topic, the hacking topic. In this, we are using a try hack me server, so you can choose anything. So search. So this is the vulnerability that we found, and I had just copied it. So this is, as you can see, it's Eternal Blue. So let's use this. The machine's name is also blue, so it gives us quite a bit of hint. And yeah, so in order to start it, now how do we start it, you must be asking. So we will generally type this use command, and then we will type the exploit name with the director, of course. And then here are all the helps you need to know, just in case if you need any. The only trashers need help. We go for the direct attack. Show options. So these are the compulsory. As you can see over there, it's required, and yes. So you just need to control those things where those those names which are required. Like our host is required, which but is not set. And let's see again. See, the R host has been set by us. So you just need to type set and then the name and then the IP or whatever the detail is required you need to put. So let's see our IP. So we are using the try hack me server, so we will use the 10.0 set L host, which is 192.168, but we don't need it. So we need to replace it via the original IP of our TryHackMe server. Now let's see the options again. Yeah, everything has been set completely okay. So as you can see, there are no mistakes over here. Now you can type run or exploit, but over here first let me show you set target. So by set target 0, you set the target which is here. Sometimes you get more than one target, so you can just choose whichever target it is. By default in 0, you'll always find set target. You will always find automatic target. So over here I'm starting with run. You can also try exploit and other things, run command or exploit command. There are many more options. So now I'll wait for some time and let's see what happens. So as you can see, we are having a small problem. It says that the target is not vulnerable and connection timed out. So now generally I don't get these kinds of issues, but since I got it, I thought, why don't I use this opportunity to test you? So find what kind of problem I'm going through. What did I do wrong over here? You have to tell me. And if I did not do wrong here, what was your problem? And yeah, it's not related to the network. That much is a hint. Network of try hacking, by that I mean. So, thank you.